Hi friends, it's Julia. Welcome to 31 Days of Scrapbooking in December, where I make a scrapbook layout every day throughout the month, and they are all Christmas themed. Today is day 15. So anyway, here is the sketch I'm using today. It is an Allison Davis 2-page. This one is conducive to using a pocket page, so I did pull one of those in. This one, of course, has this starburst design. I don't necessarily know that I'm going to do a starburst design, but we'll see as I go along. So the things that I have pulled out, I have pulled out a ton of paper. I think there are 5 sheets of paper, and they are all from the Heidi Swapp paper pad that I had pulled in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 papers that I have pulled in. The pocket page, of course, all of these photos, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 photos, and I just pulled a ton of ephemera bits and pieces, things that I had previously stamped, all types of ephemera, things that I have colored in. I pulled in some stickers. These are the little gnomes. And I also pulled in a very large wood veneer piece too. So yeah, I have all of this to play with. This will, then I will have the right side as the pocket page, and I'm going to go ahead and do the back side of that page as well, of this pocket page, so that I can call it all done. Anyway, I will put a close-up of the sketch, and I will be back in just a few minutes to show you what I've created. Anywho, guys, let me get this done. I will put up a close-up of the sketch, and I will have close-ups at the end of the video as well, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Alright friends, I'm back, and this is actually a 3-for-1 if you will. I'll show you what I have left over. I did add in a piece of this red cardstock from Felicity Jane. I have a ton of die cuts and embellishments left over. I used a ton, but I do have a ton left over here. I did use the Merry Christmas off this sheet of gold embellishments. I used 4 of the little gnomes. I combined the 2 sticker sheets that I had. Oh, that's a die cut. I combined the 2 leftover sticker sheets that I had. I'm not going to get rid of the other sheet, but to make this easier, so I can just lay it here on my desk as I'm doing things. I did pull in this alphabet again, reminder of the sketch, and then here is the first page of that. It is not very fancy. It's not very detailed. I took a lot of the borders that I had previously cut out in my stash. There's that Merry Christmas there. I added some of the larger gold, flat gold brads. I added a couple of Christmas trees, 3 Christmas trees down here. I had that half a doily. That's where I put in home. And this is where I use that red cardstock around these photos. More of the sequins here. Yeah, I really like how that turned out. That is going to be the right page. I think though what I might do is I might get another sheet of that red cardstock and cut this down just a tiny bit and back it on that red cardstock, because having this busy pattern all the way to the edge makes it feel like it's not done. So then the next page is this one. It is a pocket page card, and you can see I just took some photos from around the house that don't warrant necessarily a page, but work great for this type of pocket page card. This one, you can see this little embellishment cluster here. I just used some previously punched out dots, some sequins, some washi tape, some of the pre-punched border, and an ephemera bit. Same here. I had previously stamped out the Christmas trees. I took the little acetate piece and put over it, added some sequins, and then put the green border on there. Here, more of the little dots that came with different ephemera packs. That's just an ephemera piece there and here, and then a strip of washi tape in my photo. Here I took my paper and cut it down to go back behind these, the photo of the cards. I used a cut apart piece from the Cardabella line to go behind here rather than pull in a different piece of paper. And you can see I layered up washi tape and circles and stickers and ephemera bits all around that. And then these two, of course, are the ephemera car. I put in some bits and pieces here, some washi tape, ephemera piece, some sequins, and then the gnomes I put on a cream color cardstock and just fussy cut them out with the sticker at the top. And then page 3 over to the back side. So I put a lot on the outside as well. Some of the previous things that I had cut out, the circle and the 2 banners and that wood veneer, ho ho ho. I used a couple of the little tags up here, a previously stamped image, some circles that were previously punched out with some sequins. Here another piece of washi tape, something that I had previously stamped. This is something that I cut out from a little ephemera piece, some more sequins, and then here, so this is actually in the pocket page, whereas the rest of this is sitting on top of. The floral piece I cut apart. This was an ornament that I cut apart. I have lots of little vellum and ephemera bits and pieces. There's something, a deer that I had previously cut out. That was an ephemera piece here that I just used as my frame. Here, I added a banner die or a banner sticker, an ephemera piece, and some sequins. Here, this was a portion of a calendar that I had fussy cut and or cut out, and I left it in my stash, and so I put that piece here, put a few Christmas trees, and I was going to circle around the number 25, but I thought, oh, we all know it's Christmas. These 2 packages I fussy cut from a pocket page card, and then the Santa is from one of the ephemera packages. So yeah, 3 pages for the price of 2. Oh, and I forgot to show you, I did not use the star paper. That will go back into my stash. This is the cut apart sheet that I used the one thing off of. I still have a bit there. But I have all of these scraps to go back into my stash. And that's okay. I'll get them used up eventually. And there's another whole sheet of paper should I need one. So yeah, stay tuned. I will have close-ups at the end, and I told you I'm going to cut off just a portion here and a portion here, and I'm going to put this on one of these red cardstocks from Felicity Jane, so it'll look like that when I get to the end, and it'll close those edges out and make it feel like everything is contained, and I think that'll make me feel a lot better if nothing else. Anywho, I hope this inspires you guys to get into your stash and to play with something and to make something out of what you already have. Yeah, so I will see you guys on the next layout. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.